If you're a seafood lover, then today's recipe is just for you. Hello friends, welcome to Spice and Soul Diaries. Today I'm going to share with you all a quick, easy, yet absolutely delicious prawn recipe, and it's lemon garlic coriander prawns. This dish is all about freshness and balance. The tang of lemon, the boldness of garlic, and the earthy aroma of coriander coming together to coat juicy tender prawns. And friends, you can serve these flavorful and mouth-watering prawns as an appetizer or pair them with herb rice or noodles for a wholesome meal. So let's get started with this amazing prawn recipe. And here I've taken some medium-sized prawns which has been cleaned and deveined, and I've kept the tails intact. And now I'm going to do a basic marination. We'll start by marinating the prawns with some lemon juice. This will help to tenderize the prawns and infuse them with some fresh citrus flavor. For seasoning, I will add some freshly crushed Himalayan pink salt. You can of course use normal salt, and some freshly ground black pepper. Now let's mix the prawns well, and we will let them marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to chop some coriander or cilantro leaves, which will add a fresh flavor, and the combined flavors of lemon, garlic and coriander complement so well and enhances the dish to the next level. Right, this is done. Now also I'm going to chop one red chili for little spiciness. If you don't have red chili, you can use green chilies also. Then you'll also need lots of chopped garlic. I've used here 5 large garlic pods. And now let's start with the cooking process. For that, we'll heat a teaspoon of cooking oil in a pan. Now let's add the marinated prawns into the pan. Keeping the flame on medium, we will saute the prawns for about 1 to 2 minutes until they turn pinkish in color from both the sides. As you can see, by now the prawns have changed its color. I'll create some space in the middle of the pan, and now into this I'm going to add a small cube of butter. And as the butter starts to melt, we will add the chopped garlic and the chopped red chilies. Now let's saute the garlic and the red chilies along with the prawns until the garlic turns golden brown in color and turns aromatic. And as we do this, the flavor and aroma of fried garlic in butter, which I absolutely love, will be slowly infused with the prawns. I'll also add at this stage a teaspoon of chili flakes. We stir this once. And once the prawns are well coated with the chili garlic and infused with its flavor, it's time to add the lemon juice. I'm adding here 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Let's mix this once, and we'll let the prawns simmer in the lemon juice for just few seconds. And just before turning off the flame, we will add lots of chopped coriander or cilantro leaves. Let's give a quick stir. That's it. We will turn the flame off, and our quick and easy lemon garlic coriander prawns is now ready to be served and enjoyed hot. Enjoy this delicious and mouth-watering lemon garlic coriander prawns as an appetizer, or pair them with herb rice or noodles for a wholesome meal. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious prawn recipe. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks. You can also check out my other interesting prawn recipe. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye-bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.